This is my amazing cousin Zach. He is awesome. He is an amazing pogo stick jumper. He can do many tricks such as shoot a basketball with no arms on the pogo stick and one leg on the pogo stick, and that's all, and many more. Here he is, amazing Zachary. Yes.
You ready to do the basketball? Or the ball? One leg.
One leg! Yay, Zachary! That was rather pathetic, but yay, Zachary!
Oh.
Amazing.
Okay, nip down this. Woo! You can do this all day. How many jumps is this so far?
Like,
55.
Sure. 55.
I'll be beast. Can't stop this. No hands. Woo!
What class is this for?
Science.
Science. What awesome. Woohoo. Bravo.
Not really. It's not for any class. I just do this for fun.
You're pathetic.
My exercise.
But you told Uncle Britta was for...
It's the basketball. Right here. Right here. Under the bush.
Basketball that's under the bush.
Pick it up.
You're mean. This is just pathetic.
Great house to me. I got it.
Bravo! Take science class.
I'm gonna shoot the ball. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot the ball.
When he shoots the ball,
Give her a shot first.
let him get his shot first.
Get ready to get it.
Get ready to get it. Oh.
Oh, I missed it. Get
Pathetic.
the ball. Get the ball. Although I missed, I can still make it. Come on. Come on. Basketball.
He.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's wet.
Ha! It's wet.
Crap.
Crap. Here's the ball. Amazing.
Oh. Covering up the microphone. Covering up the microphone.
Hello.
Okay, it's good. Pass the ball. Good job.
Shoot, you wimpy.
Oh, shoot.
Ha!
I don't know what was what. Pass again.
102.
Hey, it's not aiming at me. Yeah.
Wait, I didn't get that.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't. Seriously, I
Go
didn't.
again.
Go again.
By the way.
Huh?
I made that one, by the way.
He made it so far, socially.
Look, hey, you suck at this.
I don't suck.
Yes, you do.
My name's Katie.
No one cares. No one cares. Oh! See, I thrusted back. Didn't want to do that. So I'm doing this. Get it, Katie. Come here. Come here, buddy.
He calls his ball a buddy.
Shut up.
told me to shut up.
At least all I don't eat is cheese. Like you.
Thank goodness you didn't
Katie?
hear that.
Stop. Backward shot. You get lined up first. Oh! Oh, shoot. Get the ball. Hurry up. Katie, stop your finger. Don't do that.
Crap, I didn't mean to.
You're like, lose your finger. Yes, you did meant to do that. Just so you know. Last shot.